Top news stories. BT Road firing victims Ravina's husband finally gets government job. India's moon mission Chandrayaan-2 launched successfully. Agri's policy promises development for More but not visible. Residents decry. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA TONGBRAM giving you the news in details. Chief Minister in Biren Singh today handed over a government job appointment order to be husband of a lad Th. Ongbi Rabina, who died in the infamous July 23 BT Road firing incident 1 decade ago. A day out shopping with her 3-year-old son turned out to be fatal for Rabina, a 23-year-old housewife as he was killed in the broad daylight shootout in the heart of Imphal town, while C.A. Sanjit, a UZ suspect, was later killed in the alleged fact encounter that took place on July 23, 2009. Biren handed over the appointment letter to the lad Th. Ravina's husband, Th. Tinglen during a function at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The Chief Minister also distributed Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang CMHT cards to the state journalists at the event. CMHT is a health assurance scheme for the welfare of poor and disabled people. Accordingly, CMHT will provide cashless treatment to the needy ones at various government hospitals, health centers, and empaneled private hospitals.
Sumba Amzugi label the Mayam CMHT and Topogi Kutang Sena Putomis Amukahena. Miugi Seva over the Henba, a Henba Seva Maliti. As Holana Taraba, like the Lyra City Mating Pang, the Henna, Sauber, Dharma Maliti. On the Masiki service said, Nasi Mediagis in Lausina support to Widiba, government the extent of Widiba, Sumaina, Makatana, Quaidum Dominasi, Adam Tobio, a queen of Sugo Menasu. Couldn't be Tilapoga, a quick leisure strength, available facility. I couldn't accent on again.
India's second lunar mission Chandrayaan-2 lifted off as scheduled at 2:43 p.m. today. The countdown began at 6:43 p.m. on July 21. The previous launch suffered a jolt in the early hours of the July 15 after a technical snag forced the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO to call off the launch for the time being. ISRO is aiming to put the lander Vikram and rover Pragyan on the lunar surface on September 7, just 1 day behind the earlier schedule. To ensure that the duo get their planned full schedule of operating for nearly 14 days by the tweaking the Chandrayaan-2's timelines in space when it travels from one phase to another. The ₹978 crore first moon landing mission, which aims to place a robotic rover on the moon, is most complex and India's most ambitious second lunar mission. Contrary to the promises by the government to develop More town along Indo-Myanmar borders under ACT East policy, nothing new development is visible in the border town till date. It is a matter of shame for the government that the More town is lagging behind Namfalong market and Tamu of neighboring Myanmar in terms of development, More residents route. Footpaths of the market and the National Highway 102 have been left for a long time in poor condition. Gate number 2 of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate is an important route for tourists from border sites coming to purchase goods at Namfalong market. Drainage system at the marketplace has completely failed and renovation work of the footpaths has been lying unfinished. They regret it. The condition of Tamu Road was worse than More, but with the increase in the number of tourists from border countries, the Myanmar government has continuously taken up infrastructural development, attracting more visitors. Interestingly, the government of India has also constructed the Tamu Mandalay Road to maintain good relations with the neighboring country.
Thangaba lamdana yamnana lunana drainage system phajan thame koigi sigi border town gona yamna maru gate number 2 sidadi lambi yamna fibam se nong kitang tabdi ising pa duna chele tolenga chamana reba si mari leina basinga yakhara yengjalani
India gi mai shop nanga gi yamna kare tanjam oiraduna athuba matamda langak na masimieng sangbiraga sembiba ndagi sida armina hanal sumena oiram dabaneba armina sida bekar amat wangna sengbat kreba aduna sidagi neba yamba sida amotpo oikrisina.
The Joint Action Committee JAC against the mysterious death of Ningthausam Babisana Chanu along with student bodies are set to launch intense agitation over the incident in case the Manipur government does not fulfill the demands raised by the JAC by this midnight. Babisana, a 13-year-old girl, reportedly committed suicide inside the boarding of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, on the July 18. This JAC and family of the Class 7 student sensing a foul play in her death. JAC convener T.H. Titaranjan condemned the attitude of Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam for allegedly keeping mum over the death of the minor girl. He said the JAC is all prepared to teach a lesson to the state government.
Miji pare si tawre haiba information pak akoina thiruba sida langla langji kaimta ujadaba adugi mathak sida tongkhaina mi sing asigi tongkhaiba phaba punma mayam sida pelak daba mayam sina akoina karigumba JAC gi action ji hayeng ngasi matam ji loirabanina hayeng dagi akan ba khongjang changchalakani haibisima JAC tarap tagi kanbena igi mot phongdokjari.
Meanwhile, the United NGOs Mission Manipur UNMM in a statement said the organization strongly condemns the recent gruesome killings and ongoing target against girl child and young women in a systematic way. During the press meet held at Chingmairong today, UNMM urged the state government to immediately take legal action against the culprits involved in the killing of Ningthausam Babisana, who was found hanging inside the hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur on July 18. In another case, Thokchom Babithoi Chanu's body was found on Iril River bank at Moirang Kampu Sajeb Awang Lekai on July 12. And the most recent incident was Meena Devi, aged 32 years, who was found dead at Lai Inkol Christian Cemetery, Chingmairong yesterday in a suspected rape case.
Immediately arrest founder and warden as well as the concerned staff of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School who are on duty on that particular day. Appeal to investigate by impartial and independent expert to meet justice of event without any delay. And number 2, arrest immediately the perpetrators who shoot at Ms. U. Natasha, alias Thoibi, on the 4th of July 2019. Third, appeal to enact special mechanism to stop killing of children, women and civilians without hatred. Appeal to frame charge sheet in connection with murder of Ms. Meena Dev without any delay. So this, UNMM look forward to a positive action by the government without further delay. Thank you.
And now let's take a short break, but coming up, ATR PFM withdraws proposed ban on national highways. More after the break.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur ATR PFM has withdrawn the proposed ban on national highways after coming to terms with the state government. In a statement, General Secretary of ATR PFM, James Howkip, informed that the state government has transferred and posted a tribal officer as Director for Tribal Affairs, Hills Manipur. The forum also expressed gratitude to the state government for understanding the sentiment of tribal people and also conveyed appreciation to all civil society organizations for their cooperation and support. The highway ban was supposed to impose from July 23 midnight to July 24 midnight to push for the demand, which has been finally fulfilled by the government. The All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employees Association Lamphelpat has announced that the association will resume protests from July 25 if the state government and the authorities concerned does not take up necessary measures to ensure payment of the pending 9 months arrear of the employees by July 24. Speaking to media person, General Secretary of the All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employees Association, Haubam Baleshwar, said the department has decided to continue cease work strike as the concerned authority has failed to hit the demands of the association when they demand the about 7 pay, even though the 6 pay commission was implemented 10 years ago. On the other hand, General Secretary of Indian National Trade Union Congress, Manipur, Yumnam Rana Pratap, has appealed to the public not misapprehend about the hesitation as a strike is a move to fulfill the long-pending and rightful demands of the employees.
All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department. I quit a Sangi post, I quit Shumatanzama, Sangi Dore, Brazan, I quit Lana Logigadra, I quit a Sangan, I quit Kosumante, Tan, the Kayamagam, Kairage, I quit Mayam the Yarsibani, Bahagadra, Chuminatrali Tapiona, Masiki Tanzato Logzabani, Luina. I quit a Mokanoto with Simaruina, as also Pepex Body Mayam Zidagi, Sumangana support of you, Lalagan Mayam the Lala and Tapu and Doxagi, Haidana, Matuki Sinjabani, I quit a Lakator Betan, Manga Dagidi, I quit low Simubagi. Taba khudi maksu ekoi thingan jabaga loinana ekoi start message this in the karahena kanjan jaragi heduna leba mayam da tongan masi pose social market ri waro bignu heduna la singda appeal to
taliba demand mogi phangban tokwe area city sapchaba makoi gi rightful claim ni one country one nation one currency dadi ekoi gi chakthong pitung ai sap manum thoi haibidi masimina phangdaba da koina phangage haibnate mina phangraba poching do khoi ju manana phangan bi haibani masidi makoi gi sapchaba
Integrated Development Organization held a one-day awareness program on educational necessity among the minorities community under the sponsorship of Manipur State Minorities Commission. Chairperson of MSMC Muhammad Anwar Hussain, President of IDO Ahal Muhammad Riosan, among others, were present at the program held at IDO office at Lilong Ifam. Muhammad Anwar Hussain during the program talked in detail about benefits of Prime Minister's 15 points program. He appealed to the minorities of the state to take the benefits of all central sponsored schemes.
Majority 80%. Jawabda. Adu wale mori ba 20% ke manungda haribo community singsina minorities community wale. United Nations Organization ki defined over declaration 1990 to the Tolibudu ki manungdagi bedona ethnic da linguistic da religion da nationality da yengaga minority ni haina lamdam madu la kok se yae haina permission piba du manungdagi
A program for the enrollment of new members of Bishnupur BJP Mandal for the current year was held at Yangon Ningthau Community Hall, Bishnupur today. The enrollment will continue till August 11 next. Sangathan Parva Sadhyata Abhiyan BJP Bishnupur conducted the drive. Executive member of BJP National Council and Sana Jauba, chief spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh STK BJP senior leader T.H. Yaima, chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council L. Maniyaima and convener of BJP Manipur State Biodiversity Cell R.K. Somorjit were the main guests. As taken during the function said, new membership enrollment is at most important to reform the previous years committed.
Allegation mayamama background karimat lai thaba false allegation mayamama Bharat le political party mayam sing se BJP ma dimagi alai la tab le mur ba mayam sing se Bharat lang le haira Bharat Iran phol le haira madu gi Iran gi manung da ba gi leadership political party ma sagat na ba hona ba gi se ngasi su khangpiri tin
Office bearers of BJP Mahila Morcha Mandal attended the function, and several other new members of Bishnupur Assembly constituency have enrolled and their membership ID card were presented during the function. Directorate of University and Higher Education Manipur and Intellectual Forum of Northeast RFNE have jointly organized a one-day discussion session on Draft National Education Policy 2019 at the Royal Hall of Hotel Classic today. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, Chairman of National Institute of Open Schooling Human Resource Ministry, Government of India, Professor C.V. Sharma, Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education, Government of Manipur, Suman Singh, and Director of University and Higher Education Manipur were present at the program. Minister Radhesham said every Indian looks up for a new India and a draft on national education policy helps in flourishing the goal. He further said the draft policy plays a major role not only in education sector but also in the economy. The minister further appealed to the public to make contribution in achieving a new India.
Education means, in Latin they call it educare. That means bringing out, lead out, educare, lead out, bring out from the child. Already we the teachers here, we think, the parents, we think that child is like an empty basket. You fill knowledge every day. Little knowing that they are already filled basket. Teaching and learning are not, we have to denounce teaching for learning.
Here is another short break, but do stay tuned. We have Muhurat for SSI Film Production, first feature film Mira Lamba Health.
Manipur University the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gidamak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. Muhurat for SSI Film Production first feature film Mira Lamba was held at Khetri Sanglen Thobal District. Angomcha Soibam, who is taking a role in the film, social worker Waikom Yaima, co-producer BC Kuman and actress Dana Manjuri attended the function. Rosan Luang, Suras Ngak Shekpam, Mam Naubi Ning Thauza, Kapilina, Mayang Lambam, Idho, Sarat Thukchom, Dana Manjuri Sagolsem and Angom Santi are starring in the movie. The story and screenplay is written by K.P. Mangang and produced by Somarendro Waikom. The 10th Imphal East Shooting Competition 2019 kick-off at Khuman Lampak Shooting Range today. 61 players are taking part in the competition, organized by Imphal East District Rifle Association, affiliated to Manipur Rifle Association. President of Manipur Rifle Association and Honorary Secretary of National Rifle Association of India, L. Rachandra Singh, and President of Imphal East District Rifle Association in Indrajit Singh took part in the opening event. Speaking at the function, M. Rachandra Singh said that despite shortage of facilities, the shooters of Manipur give remarkable performance. He further said that winners of the district level will take part in the state level competition and then they will perform in the Northeast Shooting Championships to be held in Guwahati next month.
Score yang kanda kaiguma Khelo India gi mogi qualification phangadi khanghodana India government piriba koigi shooting de nate all sports ki facility mayam singchi masai perform cheng kanda yampi aduna kaigumba koigi shooter singchina hariba koi qualification ju tasawung amagadi soidana koigi shooting masana ategi masana gumna shooting masana chu Manipur dagi koi India gi level da aduga amu thodo hendona international level da amu
Social worker from Wangu, Sanjoy Ahanthim, in collaboration with farmers of Kumbi constituency, distributed fertilizers to farmers at ₹300 per bag, a price fixed by the government. He also provided diesel for pumps used under River Leaf Irrigation RLI scheme. Ahead of 20th Kargil Divas, 15 Assam Rifles Yaingang Pokpi organized a weapon exhibition program along with a discussion on military career at Emmanuel English Academy, Yaingang Pokpi. Major Abhimanyu talked about the life of army men at program where students of school took part. Speaking about the program, principal of Emmanuel Academy stated, the event will foster a feeling to join army to the students.
Major Arbinje, Masisi Lame, Arugusmana program, Mukatoshi, and Hambazi, and one no Pawi, especially a quick school gang in Maractazo, Armigi, profession singing Mayanko Yoriva, at the Munis Mina, Lagas Mina, weapons in display to gay, doing the counseling, care counseling Haitarico, Simbazikara, Utke Angang, the Paujil Karpi, Havizida, Angang Yamna, Matamu, the Harrow, Abo Harrow Yam, Nungayam. Ngang this man level nung shibagi, the mama level nung shibagi, moi the itilkara pawan baje. Masimuk yam matang chaba yam papa kongtang le nakanje.
Pakistani troops violated ceasefire along the line of control (LOC) in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir today, a second such incident in the last 3 days. The troops targeted forward posts and villages in Sundarbani sector with mortars and small arms in the early morning hours, prompting retaliation by the Indian Army, according to sources. A police official said the intermittent firing and shelling was still on when last reports were received, but there was no casualty on the Indian side. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Tree loss in Northeast forms 74% of India's deforestation. Dead employee given promotion, new posting. 5 Rajya Sabha MPs join BJP. Party's tally in upper house rises to 78. JAC sets deadline. AVVP demands justice. The People's Chronicle. RN Ravi to remain interlocutor for Naga talks. CM can't be naive on cabinet meetings, sans ministers. CM declined to give post-mortem report of baby Sana, says JAC. Gaikangam deplores belated move to ease farmers' woes. Imphal Free Press. Father of baby Sana alleges she was murdered. Ravi's appointment as governor should not delay solution of Naga peace talks, says NPF. Government should provide legalized place for sand and stone quarry. Talk on 48-hour total ban in Tamenglong fails.
Before we close, let's see the news top stories once again. BT road firing victims Ravina's husband finally gets government job. India's moon mission Chandrayaan-2 launched successfully. And Egg East policy promises development for More but not visible. Residents decry. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.